Dear HabitatControl user, with this video we would like to give you an overview about the connectors that you are using with your HabitatControl system. To get into the connectors overview, you need to select this button in the home screen of your HabitatControl system. Now you are within the connectors overview. On the left-hand side you can see the pin for the power supply. Then you can see 8 12-volt DC outputs. For example, then you can see 8 12-volt DC outputs, for example for fans, magnetic ventiles, ozonizer and so on. After that you can see the USB pin. Then you can see the connector for LAN and for Wi-Fi, which is explained in a special video about the default configuration. In the next line you can see the temperature connector. If you click on that, you can configure your temperature sensors. If you use the back button, you will get back into the connectors overview. The next 3 pins are for the level sensors. Again, if you click on them, you can configure them. Right of that, the level sensors, you can see 4 BNC pins. BNC pin 4 is configured for EC, electronic conductivity. If you click on that, you can configure it. The next 3 BNC pins are at your free disposal for pH probes, ORP probes or DO, dissolved oxygen probes. You can configure them at your own disposal. For example, if you go on type, you can select if you would like to use pH, ORP or dissolved oxygen. Thank you for your attention. You will find more detailed videos about the configuration of all these connectors in special videos on our HabitatControl channel on YouTube. Stay tuned.